Welcome to Pearson Bryson. My name's Connor. I'm a business analyst. I'm going to share the meta view with you. So I'm at one of our Pearson Bryson clients' matchings. And again, doesn't matter if you have a matching, doesn't matter if you have a smaller home, doesn't matter if you're a renter of an apartment complex, does not matter. If you're filing a claim, we're happy to help you. Even if you're not our clients, if you want us to review your policy and go over some of the terms and nuances, we're happy to do that. And I'm going to share a live view. We've been given permission to walk on one of our clients' properties, and they're definitely filing a claim. We're helping them with that. But again, you might not know where to go, who to speak with. You also have access to attorneys that can assist you for absolutely no cost. They will answer your questions. This is a time that we just want to help as much as possible. But let me get right into it. Let's flip this on. I'm going to turn this on. Video on. And welcome to Pearson Bryson again. I'm going to step out. Pearson Bryson again. I'm going to step out. And let's get right to it, people. So first and foremost, this is their neighbor so far. It looks like their neighbor lives right across the street. And essentially what occurs is, even if the home looks like it's absolutely beautiful, there might be smoke damage. Hopefully there's nothing that this wonderful neighbor is going through. But again, if you live near a home that's been destroyed or has smoke damage or any type of peril of fire, you might still be able to file a claim. We're happy to take a look at your policy if you like. Here we are, people. This is a wonderful, beautiful property. I'm gonna put on my mask. This definitely can smell the ash in here. Sorry if it gets a little foggy on the glasses. So I'm gonna walk around the neighborhood and we're gonna go through what this is essentially. So first and foremost, this is a coverage A claim right here. Coverage A essentially is when the exterior of the property or the roof of the property is destroyed due to the peril of fire. So let's take a quick walkthrough. I'm not gonna go too deep in here. Clearly this is destroyed, right? Obvious claim. So they definitely had to file a claim. We're assisting with that. But if your property looks like this, and even if it doesn't look like this, if there's any type of damage to the roof or the structure of the home, you have coverage. Now, coverage B essentially is, for example, the damaged fence that's burnt over there, the swimming pool that's over here that's blackened by debris of ash, fences, swimming pools, detached structures, so you have a shed out on your property, etc. This is a coverage B claim right here. That's coverage B. Look how black that pool is. That's definitely damaged right there. Look at this beautiful piece of property actually destroyed by the California wildfire, unfortunately. Look at all this damage. That's coverage B right here. Coverage C essentially is personal property. Personal property, clothing, furniture. Look at this furniture that's destroyed. Coverage C right there. Coverage C, coverage C, coverage C. Coverage D, clearly no one's living here right here now, right? So that means that's loss of use. LOSSUSE. Even if you have a renter's policy and you rent at an apartment complex or you rent a home, that coverage covers you for staying in an Airbnb, a hotel, meals. It's additional living expenses. Coverage D. Now this is where it gets kind of tricky. You see how no one's living here right now? This is coverage D. If you can't live, you have to pay to live somewhere else. Keep all your receipts and claim that, get reimbursed. Typically there's no deductible. Next, coverage E. This is where it gets kind of tricky. This is if your neighbor or someone next to you wants to sue you, while at the same time coverage E gets a little tricky, as I was about to go into. Is coverage E is if, say, your neighbor wants to sue you and says that due to their property being destroyed, they blame you. You can sue anyone you want, and that can happen where the neighbors sue each other for whatever reason, even if it's not your fault. Coverage E would protect you against that. Coverage F is, say you had a guest, maybe family, friends, someone sleeping at the day when there was a fire. Maybe they got injured, maybe they're deceased, unfortunately, something that occurred. They can sue you for that as well. Your own guest can sue you. So that protects you if guests or people are injured on your property. Even though it's no fault of your own, it's there to protect you just in case. And that's pretty much what it's all about. So I just wanted to walk through coverage A, B, C, D, E, and F. If you need any assistance, contact Pearson Bryson. We work with quite a bit of attorneys that can assist you for absolutely free. No charge. If you need interpretation, this is a hard time. A lot of people are having issues with insurance companies and just the rhetoric that's going on. So we're here to help. And if you need me or one of my colleagues to interpret your insurance policy, please call us. Follow our information below. You call us. You can email us. You can go to our website, piercebryson.com. Anyways, love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Ciao. We're rebuilding. Everything will be better, people.